Nikon with Android wireless connection. Step 1. Network selection. Select a network connection method. Recommended connection to mobile hotspot. Step 2. Acquiring connection parameters. Open Piufoto. Find the album. Choose wireless connection. Choose upload quality and mode. Connection parameters. Step 3. Turn on FTP transfer function. Connect to FTP server. Click Network Settings. Find Create Profile. Choose Configure manually. Choose Wireless LAN. Click Wireless. Input the hotspot name. Input the hotspot password. Go back Configure manually. Click FTP. Address setting. Input the FTP server IP which in your phone. Port number. Input the FTP port here. Turn off passive mode. Turn off anonymous login. Input FTP username and password which in your phone. You can set the profile name for your convenience. Go back network settings. Turn green. Connected successful. Choose options. Turn on auto upload. Turn off delete after upload. Select to upload JPEG photos. OK. Press the shutter and let your photos fly. Piufoto. Photos can fly.